Question here. Hi, I'm Dulcinea, and I'm really excited to see this. I wanted to ask first, I have two questions. Saw the choreography, I love it. I wanted to ask for everyone, if you could answer, what are the restraints or like the difficulties you're experiencing like during the rehearsals na you overcome? Especially na some people are older than they are, younger, and it's a really mixed age group. And I saw na almost inalaro man niyo si Miss Eugene kanina. So, I wanted to ask the difficulties and the influences on the choreography.
Sige po, sagutin ko muna po yung una. Wow, may fans club. Una muna po, pasalamat po ako sa PETA dahil hindi po ako ngayon isang aktor, kundi isa na po ako choreographer. But anyway, ako po si Reflesia Bravo. Yung una po, inas ko muna po syempre yung consent ng mga actors, kung ano po ba yung limitation sa kanila. Kailangan po yun malaman. Baka mamaya may gusto po akong pagawa na super di po nila kaya, ayaw naman po nila gawin. So, consent first. And then, of course, research. Nung sinabi na Ugeng-Geng, ako po ay malapit na nakatira sa streets. So, alam ko po kung paano sila nakikita kong sumayaw. So, ito po Ugeng-Geng pa lang naman po yung natatouch namin. Ang gusto ko po sana, dapat parang competition style to. Parang, alam niyo yung barangayan competition, gano'n. Yun, tsaka meron din pong mga cultural appropriation. Kasi kailangan din natin silang i-respect. Dahil yung katulad po ng Budots ay kultura na po ng Pilipino yun. Ano pa? Wala naman pong difficulty kasi nagsa-start pa lang po kami. But ako po, personally, I'm very excited and also nervous. Dahil madami po kaming surprise. Hindi ko po alam kung hanggang saan yung pwede kong sabihin. Pero yung range ng dance from street to maybe Broadway, baka yun yung aabangan natin. So, well, yun po, yun po.
Sorry, I have one last question. So, last question would be actually, sorry, I got scared. I've seen familiar faces over the years. What are the things you're excited to work with, familiar faces or not, with each other? Like, of course, Miss Eugene and everyone else. Like, what are you excited to work with each other? Like, what to know, especially with the rehearsal starting now. And how does it feel that you're working on this play, and now you know some of the people you've worked with in the past is being referenced to in this play? Thank you.
Marami pa kami na-mention. Marami pa kami na-mention. Parang kailangan kasi, sabi nga naman ni Chris, it's supposed to be fun, but it's supposed to be a love letter to Philippine theater. I know there's a lot of vitriol about, what are you doing, bakit kayo tamad, bakit kayo naging manhid. But it's really a love letter to everyone here. So Joel Saracho is mentioned as isang taong tumatanda, di ba? Kasi totoo din naman, di ba? Totoo din naman si Joel Saracho lang. So kailangan I think it's a unique time. It's a very unique time. I don't think it can happen again. Septic 4 happening now. Because we still know about each other. We know of each other, di ba? Rodi Vera, wala din si Rodi Vera, di ba? Kasi nisiraan namin siya, di ba? Kasi wala siya, di ba? Hindi siya, no? So yung ganong klaseng tema, we want to refer to a lot of people. Of course, we're also channeling some kind of our favorite directors, di ba? I'm sure may mga umaanton Juan siya, may mga tumabeza, di ba? I think it's, in Septic Tank experience, it's also been referential. Has always referred to what was happening at the moment. So, for me, the most exciting obviously is that, I know all these people, I've known since 15 years ago, longer than that. I worked with Melody, so with Peta. I know everyone. Ang bago na dito for me, si Joshua. Pero syempre, palangka person yan, di ba? Kasi hindi nga available si Rodi Vera, so si Joshua Lunso na lang, di ba? Which is a blessing, by the way. So yun, for me, I went to theater like 1982, and I have been off theater for the longest since the 90s. This is my first time to come back to theater, so I'm just excited to be here, and I'm happy that the choreography Kaya kailangan ko ng 50 shows kasi kailangan ko mga 50 shows bago ma-memorize yung damn rap, di ba? So yeah, I'm just really excited to come back and I'm really excited na tuloy sa i-mention, i-name drop ang aming lahat ng kaibigan sa teatro at mami-mention silang lahat.
Ako din kilala ko lahat, but this is the first time I'm working with everyone as co-actors. Tapos, ang excited po ako ay matuto sa kanila dahil nire-respeto ko talaga lahat ng mga nandito on stage. Lahat ng mga rehearsal moments namin, meron kami natututunan from each other. And I know everyone would agree with me. First day pa lang ng rehearsal namin, Dropbox na si Miss Uget. So, siya may pinakamahabang line, pero siya yung natatanging Dropbox sa aming lahat. So, things like that, parang na-inspire kami ng mga katrabaho na.
Sige na, coordination.
Hello po, Naila Castel po. Part of the ensemble. Syempre po, I'm fairly new in this theater industry. So, I'm very grateful na itong mga taong to pinapanood ko lang noon sa TV, hindi naman po, nung bata pa. Nung bata pa po ako, at nakaka-inspire po na makita yung acting process nila kasi doon din po talaga ako natututo. Ayun po. Maraming salamat.
And siguro din from maganda rin kasi itong avenue na production na ito. Alam niyo naman sa PETA, magsi-60 na kami. At iba-iba na kami ng generation. Sila, mga bago, mga aplikante namin. So magandang nag-meet, ito yung magandang avenue na kung saan nag-meet yung mga young and the season. Di ba? Season, okay? So yun, parang kasi there's merong exchange na magaganap. At I guess, sa mga productions sa katulad nito, yun dun mo ma-address yung generational gap na tinatawag. Dahil meron kayong isang production na tinatrabaho na kung saan pantay-pantay kami na kami ay mga aktor, walang kinalaman ng aming tenure at stay sa kumpanya or sa theater, but because we are doing something new, so pare-pareho namin itatraverse yung process ng paggawa ng Septic Tank 4 ng Together. At hindi namin tinitingnan kung, bagets ka lang or something, ay kami ay oo, hindi, gano'n. So yun yung magandang maidudulot ng mga produksyon na katulad nito. Yan po.
Yes. Next question po.